I am frustrated that I've been getting information and also communication from some of these leaders of the Balalo, and some information that they have been organizing themselves, contributing money, and funding some activities that can disorganize the people in Acholi. To make matters worse, they're even contributing money to make sure that all the LC1 chairpersons in the different sub-regions of Acholi, they want to buy motorbike for them. And also funding some activities to make sure we are disorganized as a community. I am disappointed with the implementing organs, the RDCs, the 4th Division Commander and his team, the Minister for Northern Uganda, in charge of Northern Uganda, all the implementing team that has been put in place, they have put every activities on hold without reasons explained to us. I want to put it seriously. And to the people who actually support it. Let us reorganize ourselves. Let us reorganize ourselves. And immediately, as the members of parliament, as the local council 5 from the different districts, as the cultural institutions and religious leaders, this is a serious program to make sure they disorganize the community of Acholi and their land is taken away from them using the poverty of the people in the South region. And therefore, we must reorganize. And I'm giving it ourselves 2 weeks to reorganize and hit the ground. And the issue is simple. Where the army, where the police, where the implementing hands in this process has failed to do the work, we want the implementation to take place in our presence as leaders from the Acholi sub-region. As we see through the eviction in our presence, we want to see it. The issue about fencing the land, we have said it before to the president, and I want to bring to the attention of anybody implementing these activities that is no-go area. Because in our culture as the Acholis, you cannot fence the land. That is where people go to gather the firewood. That's where they go and get the grass for thatching their houses. That is where they go to fetch the water. The issue is simple. We don't want Balalo in